Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing great at home. So, I'm Miss Nadia, your English teacher, and today our topic is singular and plural. What is our topic? Singular and plural. Can you see on the screen? S for singular and P for plural. So let's have a look. What is this all about? Now, first revise what is a noun? What is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, or thing, and it is also a name of an animal. Okay, so always keep in your mind a noun is a name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Can you see different picture? Shoe, leaf, ball, brush, clock, car, story. These are the names of the things. Same, we can have the names for person, for place, for animals. Okay. Now, we will be using nouns for making singular and plurals. Okay, you will be thinking why we are revising noun. So, this is why we are revising noun. We are going to use it for singular and plural. Now, what is singular and what is plural? See, singular means one. Singular means one. Okay, and plural means two or many. You can keep in your mind with S for singular and S for single. Single means one. P for plural and P for plus. Plus means adding more, adding more. Okay, so singular means one, plural means adding more. Same, look at the picture. Can you see one car over here? So it means singular. It means singular. And see, can we count it? 1, 2, 3. They are more than one. Yeah. So it means these are the plural. These are the plurals. Okay. Plural means two or more. So let's look at some more examples so that it will be very clear to you. Now look at this one. Look at the first picture. Cow, cows. Tiger, tigers. Bear, bears. Camel, camels. Look at on the other side. Apple, apples. Avocado, avocados. Banana, bananas. Bean, beans. Okay, can you look at this one? Look at the number one first, cow. See, it's written C-O-W. But look at this one, C-O-W-S. Can you see this S with all the words over here? When we are making plural, so we are adding S. This is the rule. We are going to add S when we are going to make plurals. Okay. This is the simplest rule to make plural, that we can add simply S to make a plural. Look at this example. Boy. Okay, boy means one boy. But if I will put one S over here, it will become boys. Same with the girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. If I will put one more S, so it will become girls. It will become girls. Okay. You can also look around yourself and you can see so many things. For example, pen, pencils. Sorry, pen, pencils. You can see around you that you can make plurals. One pen and pens. Pencil, pencils. Okay. Same with your book. Book, books. Look at some more examples. Singular, bird, birds. Can you see? Book, books. Cat, cats. Dog, dogs. Pen, pens. See, This all singular means one bird, one book, one cat, one dog, one pen. But here birds, it can be two, it can be many. Books, many books. Cats, many cats. Dogs, many dogs. Pens, many pens. Okay. Now let's revise. Singular noun. Okay, names only one person, place, thing, idea, or animal. Plural noun that names two or more. Now, how to make plurals? We can simply add s, and there is something new for you, that we can make plurals by adding es. Can you see in the yellow color? It's all s. But here with some words, we'll be using es. Okay. Now, I will explain you how and when we are going to use es. First, look at some examples with s. Singular, these all are singular. Plural. Shoe, shoes. Only one s. This is adding s to make plurals. Clock, clocks. Ball, balls. Spoon, spoons. Car, cars. Cup, cups. Can you see? With all the words, we have just one s. Can you see? One s here, one s here, 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 and here. This is the rule number 1, that you can make plurals by adding s. Now, with which words we are going to use es? If the word ends with ch, it means ch sound, sh, sh sound, x sound, o, and sound. Okay, 5 things. You have to remember this with your 5 fingers in your hand. You can remember it. ch, sh, x, o, x. See, this is just a trick. You have to remember this while adding es. Look at some examples so that it will be very clear to you. Look at the first picture, brush. Can you see? The brush is ending at sh. Okay, so if the word is ending at sh, as we know, this is the rule, we'll be adding es. Okay, so can you see the plural? We add es. Same with a watch. Can you see? Watch is ending at ch. So 4 watches. Can you see? Yes. If you will write like this, WATCHS, this will become wrong and you will not get any mark for that. So these are the little things you have to keep in your mind so that you can score higher and higher. Look at some more example. Bunches, bunch, bunches. Dish, dishes. Glass, glasses. Box, boxes. You'll be thinking teacher has told us about the words with ch, sh, s, x. What about o? Now I will give you one example and you will love it. The word which is ending at o is mango. I know you all love mango and I love mangoes. Okay, now how we will tell that I have more mangoes? We will be adding es. This is how you will make plural for the words ending at ch, sh, s, x, o. Okay, I hope you liked it. Look at some examples. Add es to make nouns plural that end with s, x, sh, and ch. Always keep in your mind, what is this? This is a bus and this is a name of a thing. So always we are making plurals for nouns. Okay, this is called singular noun, this is called plural noun. Okay, look at the first one. Number 1 is bus, buses. Number 2, box, boxes. Number 3, toothbrush, toothbrushes. Number 4, bench, benches. Okay, can you see at the end there was an es? at the end of every word. This is how we make plurals by adding es. See, you will be thinking, why not s? So look at this word. If I am writing bus and if I am adding one more s, is it looking nice? Bus. It's not looking nice. Even we cannot pronounce it well. That's why you have to use es. This is wrong. Okay, this one is correct. Same with all other words. If the word is ending with s, x, sh, ch, and o as well. Okay, keep this in your mind as well. So I hope you like the lesson. You can look around yourself, make more examples. You can write it on your notebook. In the next lesson, we'll be writing and practicing singular plural on the notebook. So till then, bye. I'm Miss Nadia. Love you all. And I hope you will revise it at your home. Okay, bye.